Adamazi, my money. Ohafia, my money. Amogudu, my money.
We are still on the New Yam Festival of Ohafia, Ohamoha. Now we have here Chief Sam Anya, also known as Akaekpuchionwa, one of Ohafia. He is the host of this year New Yam Festival. Please, I would like us to speak with him. Chief Ka, Owaniwunde Adamazi TV. I'm Bebonwa for my Bochata, and I know say Oge Bayafia Zono Bochata because Ancho Hike Letokwa news or preacher.
Unokano, a great day for the people of Ohafia. And Ohafia Regita. During our New Year Festival, that's the time Ohafia people come together in one unity and one peace. So the people of Ohafia today, they are very, very happy for celebrating New Year Festival.
Chief, Anye Ajule and Leposase Ipuicho among other Ohafians, Chineke Gozi, Ifo Togo, Yade Bodwa. Niji Puicho wu imepuake nega se hawro gira nigi kotaga. Chief I am the secret if I manage is again hawro kwa ngira nigi gurenezo properties. Kama again say ha ndo be niri to knockage. Biko ogini ife a move gini imezifa.
Okay, fine. If I was alone, Papa Mo Nondo, my grandfather Chifu Simonije, oh one of Ohafia. If you know Ohafia, meaning that oh Mezife. Then Papa Monkwa on the Mezife before Obama. So if on the eye of Hana, he Mezife. So Bible says, blessed is the hand that give, that the one that take it. My aim is that Ndo Ohafia Doom will be empowered to also give out to.
Chief, I'm a Kwagihelege Chief Dr. Samanya. If you don't man a Kwagilega Akaekpuchionwa. Ndị fodo anjo ha igworo onugo ha masato kwa karia onye wo ka
ikpa odumuna ikpole doctor ikpole chief ikpole Akaekpuchionwa ikpole imala fam Chief Dr. Samanya. Chief Dr. Samanya a Christian. Onye many believe ife Chineke. Also a politician. But now if I make a go politics, you understand? If I make a help to humanity, woman capital development, if I a new different thing about giving out. Do you understand? So my aim is elevating poverty from our youth.
Chief, Ibonwa we be anya say ha odere godi hankponwa berebo oyi neto mako ganye oya de tota nde Adamazi TV mmike ma wuru ha anyi nwe special time de tokwa nicho karia onwa enwe.
Okay, fine.
Chief Ka
I'm like December, my Christmas party, my Christmas give out. When I be a day before that day, so that I make this interview in live.
Thank you so much, Chief, for your time.